In this video, we will start the grammar topic which is given in your Cambridge book, that is articles. So, article we use in front of nouns, or we can say article we place before the nouns. There are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. A, here it is given. A and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite articles. So in this video we will learn different rules of how to use articles and where to use articles, where to place the articles before the nouns. Okay. Rules of articles you might have learned in your previous classes. Okay, but here we are going to learn some more rules of articles. So let us learn the first rule. Here two columns are given. Left side column is of indefinite articles and right side column of definite articles. So here one rule is given. Let us read. Indefinite articles refer to singular nouns that we can count. Okay, so we use indefinite articles in front of a singular noun before the singular nouns or the nouns which we can count, or you can say countable nouns. Okay, indefinite articles means which a and an. See, these are the indefinite articles. Okay, so we use a and an, that is indefinite articles, before singular nouns and or you can say countable nouns. Okay, which we can count. So here examples are given: a watch, an octopus, a unicorn, an orange. Okay, all these things are countable. So you can count the number of watches: one watch, two watch, three watch. Okay, octopus also you can count. Okay, orange, number of oranges, you can count the number of oranges. Unicorn. Okay, so see, here all are singular. Here a watch is given, not watches. Here octopus, that is also singular. Unicorn, that is also singular. Orange is also singular, not oranges is not there, orange is there. Okay, so we use indefinite articles before the singular nouns and countable nouns. Okay, so many of you might have doubt, sir, here how it is a unicorn, it should be an unicorn. Okay, because you might have learned in your previous classes that you use indefinite articles, or you can say an in front of a vowel. Okay, so you will say, sir, here you is the vowel, so an should be there. So this is the exception, student, because unicorn, how do we say unicorn? Unicorn. So u is the vowel sound. Okay, that is a vowel. That is why here what? Wait a second. So a unicorn. Okay, so why a is there? Why not an? Why not an? Okay, so let us discuss. Because you might say that, sir, here you, that is a vowel, so and should be there. But listen, student, just pronounce this word unicorn. Unicorn. U is not a vowel sound. Initially I told you wrong. U is not a vowel sound, it is a consonant sound. Okay, for example, we'll take another example: umbrella. How do you say umbrella? So in that umbrella, is the vowel sound. That is why we use an before umbrella. But here, if you pronounce the word unicorn, then you initially you pronounce u, and u is not a vowel sound. It is a consonant sound. That is why we use a unicorn. Okay, some other examples of this exception is that a university. Okay, university. U is a consonant sound, it is not a vowel sound. A university, a union. Okay, so this is the exception. It is not mentioned in this rule. I am just telling you because here this word example is given in this rule. Okay, so you might get confused, that is why I have explained, but it is not related with this rule. What is our this rule? We use indefinite articles, that is a and an, before only before singular nouns or countable nouns. Here examples are given, we have already discussed. Okay, so this is our rule. This is I have just told you because this example is given here. Okay, so remember that rule also. Some are the exceptions. Okay, so I already told you that other two examples as well. So here now same rule we will discuss in definite articles. Okay, here something, it is opposite of this rule is opposite in definite articles. Definite articles means which? The. Okay, so not exactly opposite, let us discuss. So definite article refers to either singular or plural nouns. Okay, so definite articles we use in front of either singular or plural nouns. Okay, in this case, indefinite articles, we use indefinite articles only in front of or before singular or countable nouns, but here it is different. In definite articles we use definite article before singular or plural. In both cases we can use definite article before the singular nouns also as well as plural nouns also, or before the uncountable nouns also or countable nouns also. Okay, understood? So here examples are given. The watches, see here a watch is there. Okay, but here the watches. Okay, after that the octopus. Okay, here see octopus is singular but still the is there. Okay, the unicorns, it is plural. Here same example, it was unicorn. Okay, after that the honor. Okay, so all these are the examples of what? Examples of uncountable nouns, or you can say plural or singular nouns. Okay, plural or singular nouns. The milk. Okay, the oil, the gas. Okay, all these are the examples of this definite articles. Means just remember, we use definite articles before singular as well as plural nouns, or you can say countable or uh, uncountable nouns, before countable or uncountable nouns. Okay, that is the case in definite articles. Now let us discuss the second rule which is given in this table. Okay, so here it is given, when we do not refer to a particular or specific nouns, we use indefinite articles. Okay, so where do we use indefinite articles? What is the second rule? See here second rule is given. See, listen carefully. Uh, when we do not refer to particular or specific nouns. Okay, so when we talk in general about any noun, when we use any noun in our sentence in general context. Okay, not a specific or not particular. Okay, so that then only we use indefinite articles, that is a or an. So here example is given, I bought a watch. Okay, so here watch is used in very general context. I bought a watch. That is why we used what? We used indefinite article. That is a. Another example is given. She gave me an orange. Okay, so an orange. Orange is also here used in very general context. Okay, so that is why we use indefinite articles. Remember this rule. When we do not refer to a particular or specific noun, okay, then we use indefinite articles. You will understand this rule after discussing this. Okay. Now let us discuss the same rule in this case. Okay, in definite articles. Okay. So here it is completely opposite. Let us discuss. Here we cannot use definite articles in a general case, okay, in general context. Let us discuss. Refers to definite articles refers to something or someone that has been referred to earlier, okay. So what here it is said, see, wait a second. Yes, so here it is said that wait. Okay. So here it is said definite articles refer to something or someone that has been referred to earlier, okay. So listen student, here we use the, that is the definite articles when in front of nouns, when we have already used that noun earlier, or when we have referred that noun earlier. So let us discuss this example, you will understand it, okay. The watch I bought was very modern, okay. So try to understand this example. The watch I bought was very modern, okay. So he is someone is talking about the watch, okay. He is talking about the particular watch which he bought, okay. So in this here already he refers to that watch earlier, okay. So which watch he is talking, he is talking about one particular watch which he bought, okay, which he bought and it was very modern, okay. So he is talking about one particular or specific thing, okay, or noun. That is why here definite article is used, okay. Understood? So here see, here I bought a watch, okay. Here I bought a watch, here it's very general, okay. Here a watch, that is very general noun, okay. General noun means you can say here it is not a specific, a watch is not a specific. But here in this example, the watch, which watch, the watch which he bought was very modern, okay. So here it is very particular, very specific. That is why uh, the is used, or you can say definite article, okay. I will give you example, another one more example. Here it is not mentioned, but I will just give it for you for some for understanding point of view, okay. So you can say I bought a shirt, the shirt is red, okay. I bought a shirt, initially you are talking in general, I bought a shirt, the shirt is red, that shirt is red, okay. Or you can say my father enjoyed the book you gave him, okay. You can say this example, try to understand. My father, here it is not given, if you want you can write it. My father enjoyed the book you gave him, okay. So the book, why it is, why the is used, because that person is talking that my father enjoyed that book which you gave him, okay. So that is a particular book, okay, which was given by that another third person, okay. So that is why the is used, okay. So try to understand. So we used definite articles in front of or before some specific or particular nouns, okay, some particular things, okay. Or you can say which is referred earlier. But here see, I bought a watch, here it is not like that. I bought a watch which is very nice, okay. I bought the watch which is very nice, the watch which is very nice. It is not like that, it is just I bought a watch, I bought a pen, I bought a pencil, okay. Here we are talking in general, okay. So now this rule is clear, okay. Indefinite article, definite articles, we have learned the two rules, okay. Now here below that we are going to learn only about the definite articles, okay. Everything about definite articles. See, here it is given, the definite articles has certain uses. Look at the chart to learn the different uses of the, okay. So students, the is the definite articles, and which has lot of uses. Okay, there are many numerous new uses are there of the definite article. Okay, so just we will go through all this whole chart so that you will understand. Here some examples are also given. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. Okay, here we are not talking we are not going to talking about we are not going to talk about what uh, indefinite article. We are just going to discuss about the definite article, that is a the. Okay, all the uses of the, when to use the article. Okay, when to use definite article. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. See, here it is given noun that are unique and one of a kind. Okay, so when we use the or definite articles only when the noun which are very unique. Unique means only one, not many. Okay, unique, only one, and one of a kind means only one type. There are no types of that noun. So examples are given. The sun. See, sun is unique. Are there many suns? No. That is why sun is unique and only one type of sun. That is why the sun. The world. Do you say the worlds? Are there many worlds? No. That is a unique world. Okay, world. One type of world only. Okay, that is why the world. The internet. Okay, so there is only one type of internet, which say only internet. Okay, so that is why that is also unique word. That is why the internet. Okay, we will discuss it one by one and just remember this examples. Okay, now titles given to people. Okay, so we use the definite articles even before the some titles. Okay, here examples are given. We always use the in front of president. Okay, the president of France. Okay, we always use the in front of president title. Okay, president, or you can say prime minister. We always say the prime minister, the president. Okay, or one more example which is here, it is not given. We also can say the CEO of the company, the CEO of the company. Okay, so understood. Now next rule, family names. We use the definite articles before the family names, means surnames. Okay, the Mehtas, the Guptas, the Roshans. Okay, these are the family names. So we use the definite articles in front of the family names as well. Now this okay, so we have learned these three uses of the definite articles, means unique things and names. Okay, so this comes under unique things or unique names. Okay, now we will learn the uses of the or definite articles in geographical uses. Okay, so let us learn. So always remember, we use the in geographical areas. Okay, for example, with the names of the geographical areas like rivers, mountains. Okay, we use the in front of the rivers names, mountain ranges names, even group of islands names, oceans names in front of oceans names, canals names. Okay, so let us discuss here some examples are given. Okay, so we use the definite articles in front of landforms. See, these are the names of the landform, that is the Andaman Nicobar. Okay, Andaman Nicobar, that is the geographical area. Okay, landform, so that is why we use the Andaman Nicobar. Here it is given. See, that the Andaman Nicobar island. Okay, that is a island. Okay, the Andaman Nicobar is the island, that is the geographical area. That is why we use the even the Sahara desert. Okay, that is also come under geographical area. Okay, the Sahara desert. After that, water bodies. Okay, means name of the rivers, name of the seas, ocean. Okay, the Dead Sea, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, one more example you can add in your notebook. Wait, I will tell you one more example of this type. You can say even the Arctic. Okay, or the Nile river. Okay, the Arctic, the Ganga river. Okay, so these are the some more examples. So understood. the Dead Sea, the Pacific Ocean. After that, students, points on the globe. Okay, so here example are given. This also comes under geographical area. The Tropic of the Capricorn. Okay, so these are the some few examples. Okay, just remember all this comes under geographical areas. Okay, so after that, directions, we use the in front of directions as well. Here that is a cardinal points. Okay, so let us take the examples. The north, east, the west. Okay, we always use the or definite article before the directions, before telling the direction. The north direction, the northeast, the west. Okay, now let us take another example. Wait. So even we use the in front of some specific countries. Okay, countries with words like in those countries there is a kingdom word is there. Okay, uh, okay, kingdom or states word is used, or you can say republic is used. Okay, in the names of the countries, wherever kingdom states, republic, okay, are used, or you can say with plural nouns as their name, wherever the country's name is in plural, there also we use the. Okay, or you can see these examples, kingdom, states. Okay, let us discuss example, you will understand from the example. See, the United States, here state is there. Okay, United States of America, state word is used in this name of the country, that is why we use the United States of America. Now Philippines, why do we use the in front of Philippines? Because this name is plural. Philippines is not there. Philippines, that is a plural name, that is why plural name of the country. Okay, that is why we use the Philippines. One more example I will tell you, here it is not given. The Netherlands, that is also plural. Okay, the United Kingdom, see, kingdom word is there, here it is said kingdom word is there, that is why we used the United Kingdom. Okay, understood? Or you can say republic, the Republic of Ireland, that is also here example is not given, write down this example as well. The Republic of Ireland. Okay, republic word is there, the Republic of Ireland, that is why we used the. Okay, now let us discuss other uses, which is on the next page. Okay, so let us discuss. So now we are going to see the cultural uses of the definite articles. Only we are discussing definite articles here now. The, that is a the. So we use in the sense of cultural uses. So here it is given well-known books and epics. Okay, some specific very well-known, renowned, very well-known books, or you can say epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata. Okay, so this is the Treasure Island. Okay, so this is very well known, you can say example of well known book. Okay, or the Ramayana, that is epic. Okay, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Okay, so these are the examples of well known books and epics where we use the definite articles. Or we also use the in front of some well-known buildings, very famous popular buildings, or you can say monuments, historical monuments. Okay, so see, these are the example. Qutub Minar. Okay, that is very well-known monument, or you can say building. Okay, so the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, so these are the examples, understood? Now let us discuss famous work of art. So we use the definite article in front of some famous work art. Okay, the old guitarist, see, the old guitarist, the Mona Lisa. Okay, famous works of art. Okay, so these artworks are very famous. Okay, that is why here it is used, the or definite article is used. After that, musical instruments, always remember we always use the in front of musical instruments, any musical instrument, the guitar, or the flute, the harmonica. Okay, so always remember we use the in front of musical instruments, simple. Now rank and degrees. So rank and degree, first one is the ordinal. So let us discuss, you will understand. Ordinal means what? Ordinal means first, second, third, fourth, fifth. That is called ordinal. So we always use the in front of this first, second, the first, the second. He is the second in the class, he is the third topper, okay. I am the fourth student, okay. So always remember we use the in front of the ordinals, these are called ordinals, okay. So after that, superlatives. Whenever there is a superlative form of the word, that time we use the best. The best is the superlative form, that is why we use the best scholar, okay. Otherwise, another example, the highest building in the city, okay. You can say the highest building in the city, highest is the superlative form. That is not this, that example is not given, but I am just telling you the example, okay. Always remember the most beautiful, okay. So whenever the superlative form is there, the best, okay, best is the superlative form, so we use the in front of this degrees, superlatives, okay. So students, now let us solve this exercise, that is circle the right article in each sentence, okay. So let us discuss one by one. Now what you do, whenever I will tell you answer, so please write down in your notebook. Now you have to do circle, you have to just circle that article, right article, okay. So first example is, did you bring a umbrella or an umbrella? So what will come? An umbrella will come, okay. Why umbrella? Is the vowel sound, that is why we use an. So an is the answer, okay. Circle it. After that, I am looking for an or the shampoo. I am looking for shampoo, okay. So what will come? An or the? So the will come, because shampoo is not a countable, or shampoo is not a singular, okay. It is not a countable. We don't say one shampoo, two shampoo, okay. So that is why the is the answer, okay. The is the answer. Circle it in your book, okay. After that, I am looking for a bottle or an bottle of a milk. So is the answer, because bottle, b is the what? That is a consonant sound, okay. A bottle of milk, okay. After that, I love to sell over a water, and water, or the water. Now tell me. So answer is the water, because water is not a singular, water is not a countable, okay. Water is uncountable, that is why the water will come, okay. Now next example, a, an, or the large number of people came to see the match. So what will come? A will come, because a large number of people, okay. Because number of people are countable, okay. That is why a large number of people will come, okay. Now let us discuss this next exercise. So whatever answers I told you, if you don't know, so please circle it, okay. Now this here also you have to write down the answer immediately whenever I will tell you. Rewrite these sentences and insert the right articles wherever required, okay. So in these sentences you have to just wherever it is required, you have to just fill the articles, proper article. So here it is said, plan failed when no one supported it, okay. So where you will use the article, here at the initially you will use the plan, okay. What? The plan. Here write down in your book, okay. The plan, write down the, not a plan or not an plan, okay. What will come? Definite article, that is a the plan failed. Why the will come? Because we have learned the second rule in that chart. It refers to the particular noun or specific noun, the plan which we failed, okay. The plan failed when no one supported it, okay. That is a specific or particular, okay. The plan, that plan, or the plan failed when no one supported it, means the plan was earlier referred, that is why the will come, not a plan, okay. The plan, okay. After that, in next sentence, I am looking wait. What is the my son plays. So what will come? The violin will come, or a violin, or an violin will come? Tell me. The violin will come because violin is the musical instrument, and I already told you we use the definite article in front of the musical instrument. So write down here, insert the. Okay, here you have to write the in front of violin. Okay, in the orchestra will come, or an orchestra will come. So an orchestra will come. Okay, here you have to insert an. Okay, write down here an, because o is a vowel sound. Okay, an orchestra will come. Okay, after the third example, Subhadra was learning to speak English. Here there is no use of article. Okay, next, Delhi is the capital. The will come, the capital. Okay, we use the in front of a capital, the capital of India. Okay, so here you have to write the, not a. Okay, the capital of India, which is used in particular sense. Okay, or specific, the capital of India. Okay, here write down the in front of capital. He looks as wise as old. So where the article will come? An old. Here you have to write down an old. Old is a countable, one old, two old, all. Okay, so here an all. Okay, and you have to insert here. Okay, and o is the vowel sound, that is why you have to write an here. Okay, so here our article topic is completed. Okay, now we will discuss next exercise. Wait, so let us discuss further. We will discuss now using words parts. So you read it later, I will just explain important things. So here see, one sentence is given which is from this lesson here, and even here also one sentence is given. So here highlighted, they have highlighted two words. Okay, in particular and in full song. These are the phrases. Okay, in particular is a phrase, and in full song is also phrase. Okay, so here it is given, the highlighted phrases begin with the preposition in. Okay, so these are the phrases, because here in, that is the preposition, those phrases begins or start with in preposition. Okay, so on next page what we will do, we will discuss some phrases which starts from in. Okay, which starts from in preposition. Okay, so here one match the pair exercise is given. Okay, so here some phrases are given which where in preposition is used in that phrase. Okay, see all these phrases we will just discuss. See what kind of phrases. First one is in advance, in common, in fact, in the long run, in a minute, in a when, in vain. Okay, all these are the phrases. Okay, and at the beginning there is a in preposition is used, and here in B column the meanings of all these phrases are given. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just match the pairs. So we have to find what is the meaning of phrase in B column. Okay, so I will tell you the answer. First, in advance, the answer is D. See, D, before something begins. So what is the meaning of this phrase in advance? In advance meaning is before something begins. Okay, now let us discuss second phrase, that is in common. Answer is A. What is the answer? Shared by two or more people. In common means shared by two or more people. Third one is in fact. Answer is F. That is in reality. Fact means what? Reality. In fact means in reality. Fourth, in the long run. Answer is B. In the end. What is in the long run means in the end. Okay, in the end. After that, in a minute. Fifth one. Answer is E. In a minute means quickly. In a minute, quickly. Okay, in vain. Sixth one. Answer is C. Without success. In vain means what? Without success. Okay, so these are the meanings of the phrases. Now here some exercise is given. Okay, so what you have to do here, some filling the blanks or complete the sentences exercise is given. You have to just choose the proper phrase from the this box, and you have to place the proper phrase. Now you know the meanings of these phrases, or you have to just match the proper right phrase in that those sentences, okay, as per its meaning. Okay, so let us discuss first one. We paid for the house in cash. Okay, so in cash is the answer. Write down immediately. Okay, we paid for the house in cash. Okay, means we paid for the house in cash, means we paid the money for the house, for maybe rent, for taking the house on rent. Okay, next one. So answer is what? Answer is in cash. Okay, second one, it would be best if you could meet him in person. In person means personally. Okay, in person meaning is personally. So it second phrase is in person. It would be best if you could meet him in person, means personally. Okay, third one, we have enough money in hand. Okay, what is the answer? In hand. Third answer is, third proper phrase is in hand. We have enough money in hand. Okay, means we have enough money with us. Okay, fourth one, robots are in use. Fourth one, what is the correct phrase? In use. Robots are in use throughout the car industry. Okay, means in every car industry robots are in use. Okay, robots are in use throughout the car industry. Fifth one, we accept donations in kind rather than money. Okay, we accept donations in kind. In kind is the proper phrase. Okay, in kind rather than money. We accept donations, okay, in kind rather than money. Okay, so in kind is the answer. Okay, next one, everything is in order for the guest arrival. Okay, so what is the answer? In order. Everything is in order for the guest arrival. Means everything is fine, or everything is okay, everything is good. Okay, for the guest arrival, because guests are coming and everything is at the place, you can say. That is the meaning. Everything is in order for the guest arrival. Okay, means everything is ready for the guest. Everything is in order. In order is the answer. If you carry on like this, you will be in trouble. Okay, if you carry on like this, you will be in trouble. In trouble is the proper proper right phrase for this sentence. In trouble means in difficulty or in problem. If you carry on like this, then you will be in problem, you will be in trouble. In trouble is the proper phrase. After that, none of us know what is in store for us in the future. Okay, in store is the proper phrase, right phrase. None of wait none of us know what is in store for us in the future. Okay, so in store is a right phrase for that. Okay, so just complete this exercise. Write down it in everything in your classwork notebook. So here dictionary work is given. This is for homework. You have to write down the meanings of all these words. Okay, so companionship, what is the meaning of companionship? Write down from dictionary. Means being friend with someone. Accurately means correctly. Okay, channel means what? A television or any television. Okay, you see in dictionary and write down the meanings of all these words. Revelation, what is the meaning of revelation? The act of what? Making something known that was secret. Okay, just search the meaning of all these words in dictionary, and whatever the meaning you will find, write down in your homework notebook. So this is for the homework. Okay, so we have completed everything, grammar part, even words and everything. Okay, so in our next period we are going to start a very important poem from this Cambridge book. Okay, so we will start the poem in our next video. So we will stop here. Bye, have a great day.